Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you estimate plan application form, Part 1 estimate plan information 5, original mortgage information. What are the basics original mortgage information? Firstly, you need to indicate loan status, whether it is new application, progressive interest, and existing installment. Secondly, you need to write down the loan type. Thirdly, you need to write down date of letter offer reference number, loan account number, date of loan agreement. Finally, you need to indicate whether sending instruction auto debit, if yes or no. If it is yes, please write down auto debit account number. What are the in-depth original mortgage information you need to provide? A. You need to indicate the currency for this loan. If your loan is from Malaysia, please write down Malaysia ringgit. If your loan is from Singapore, please write down Sing dollars. If your loan is from Hong Kong, please write down Hong Kong dollars. If your loan is from United States, please write down US dollars. If your loan is from Canada, please write down Canadian dollars. If your loan is from England, please write down the pound. If your loan is from Europe, please write down euro dollars. If your loan is from Australia, please write down Aussie dollars. Which means that you need to write down the currency of this loan in this field. B. You need to write down the loan amount, MRTA, which means mortgage reducing term assurance, if any, legal fee, if any, valuation fee, or others. Then you need to total up the loan amount, MRTA, legal fee, valuation fee, and others, and write the total loan amount in the field of total loan principal. C. Please write down the period and indicate whether it is years, semi-annuals, quarters, months, semi-months, bi-weeks, or weeks. D. Please indicate the mortgage type is fixed rate mortgage or adjustable rates mortgage. E. Please indicate basis year, whether it is 360 days, 364 days, 365 days, or 365/366 days. F. Please indicate compounded interest, whether it is annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, or daily. G. Please indicate payment frequency, whether it is annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. H. Please indicate the exact day, whether it is yes or no. You need to write down the base lending rate, in short BLR. In some other country, they name it prime rate. You need to write down the number of tiers for this loan. K. Interest rate. You need to write down the interest rate for either tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4 by writing whether it is fixed or BLR, blank, or plus or minus, margin, and the total for each of the tier. You need to write down the remarks in the interest rate by indicating the tier 1 interest rate commencing from when. L. Please write down the repayment amount for Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, or Tier 4. And also select the repayment commencement, whether it is 1 month, or first of the following month, or first of the second month, or 5th of every month, or 25th of every month. And please also write down the loan disbursement for first release date, final release date, and first repayment date. In conclusion, in this section 5, you are required to provide original mortgage information as per letter offer and or loan agreement and documents with first installment commencement date. How to fill in original mortgage information? As shown in this form, first, the loan status, you need to tick whether it is new application, progressive interest, or existing installment. Please write down loan type, date of letter offer reference number, loan account number, and date of loan agreement. Please also indicate standing instruction or auto debit, whether it is no or yes. If yes, please write down auto debit account number here. Now you need to write down the currency of this loan. If it is Hong Kong dollars, please write down HKD. If it is Malaysian ringgit, please write down MYR. If it is Sing dollars, please write down SGD. If it is US dollar, please write down USD. If it is pound, please write down the pound. If it is Australian dollars, please write down AUD. You need to write down the loan amount, MRTA, legal fee, valuation fee, and others. Write out the total loan principal here, which is the total of loan amount, MRTA, legal fee, valuation fee, and others. You need to write down the period and circle whether it is years, semi-annuals, quarters, months, semi-months, bi-weeks, or weeks. As for the mortgage type, please select whether it is fixed rate mortgage or adjustable rates mortgage. Basis year, please select 360 days or 364 days or 365 days or 365/366 days. As for the compounded interest, please select whether it is annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, or daily. Payment frequency. Please select whether it is annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. At that day, please indicate whether it is yes or no. Please write down the original BLR and number of tiers here. You need to write down also the period for each of the tiers. For the interest rate, you need to write down the fixed or BLR, blank or plus or minus, margin, and total for each of the tier. If it is only one tier here, then please indicate this information in tier 1. If this is 2 tiers, please indicate all this information in these 2 tiers, tier 1 and tier 2. If it is 3 tiers, Then please indicate all this information in Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. It is for this. Please write down the information in Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4 here. Lastly, for the interest rate, you need to write down the remarks, especially indicate, mention, highlighted. Tier 1, the interest rate effective from when, and some other relevant information stated in your letter offer or loan agreement. Repayment amount, you need to write down Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4. As for the remarks, you need to select whether it is 1 month, 1st of the following month, 1st of the second month, 5th of every month, or 25th of every month. You also need to write down first release date, final release date, and first repayment date. What's the next step now? In our next video, we are going to show you how to complete and submit 6 current mortgage information. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in our next video.